For Lauren, news she was having her first baby was bittersweet. Why? Because it came on the same day her husband had a fatal heart attack. So we thought Lauren and baby Albert needed something special, and we weren't the only ones.
I guess both my worry and my goal is to teach this child as much as I can about its dad. And a part of that is raising it in the home that was our family home.
It's meant to be one of the happiest days of a woman's life, finding out you're expecting a baby. But for Lauren Gook, it was the most difficult.
It's devastating and wonderful all at the same time.
In one moment, her husband was having a fatal heart attack. Just hours later, she found out she was pregnant.
The timing is unbelievable. It's both wonderful that I get to be a mum and that there gets to be a part of Matt in this world. It's also really sad that he doesn't get to be, and that he doesn't get to experience this, and he doesn't get to experience his baby, or even to know that that he's a dad.
Navigating a new life on her own while waiting to bring into the world a bundle of joy.
So it was really scary and overwhelming, and it was a lot for one day, that's for sure.
While trying for a family, Lauren and Matt had also been planning some renovations on their family home in Geelong.
I'm by myself now, so I won't be able to do that house, and I won't be able to follow those plans to build the house that Matt and I wanted and planned on.
But after hearing Lauren's story, a current affair and the team at Kinsman, High Pages, Taubman's Paints and BM Floors wanted to help. The plan was to transform the kitchen, laundry and nursery. Just before coronavirus hit and the baby's due date, the tradies got stuck in. Over several weeks, Kinsman managed the project and installed the new kitchen and laundry. Ben and his team from BM Floors transformed the space.
There's no better feeling than giving someone who's been through a really tough time a little bit of joy, I suppose, and it's great just to be able to have her in a nice house, completely finished.
And Taubman's added a fresh lick of paint to the nursery. Rachel's the chief coloursmith.
It was a fantastic project to be involved in and to help the family in some small way. She's got this colour that represents growth and renewal and resilience.
Lauren's now had a beautiful baby boy. They've been settling into life together after the renovations, so we thought we'd come by and take a look. Meet little Albert Matthew Colin.
He's got some of Matt's ginger hair, just a little ginger tinge.
And he's beautiful.
Thank you. It's a chubby baby.
And how's the first 8 weeks been with him?
Yeah, it's been certainly really challenging, but also wonderful, and he's very special, and I feel very lucky to have him.
The study now transformed into Albie's bedroom.
It's a really nice room for him to grow up in.
Next up, the laundry. Brand new.
Yeah.
This was just the trough, sink and the washing machine.
Yeah, now it's all built in and beautifully finished.
And a lot more washing to do with little Albie as well.
Yes, for a small person creates huge amounts of washing, so in here a lot.
And we've saved the best till last.
It's completely new, everything, the floors and the cabinetry, and yeah, it's been painted.
All new appliances, including oven, fridge and dishwasher. And it's beautiful gold tapware.
Yes, it's my favourite thing. I love the gold tap and the gold handles there. They feel very flash. I think Matt would be just so thankful for the generosity of so many people, and he would be thrilled that I have such a wonderful community and people backing me and looking after me and Albie. Hi. Hi.
And a big thank you to everyone who helped out. We wish Lauren and little Albie, who is divine, all the very best.